everyone, and welcome back to Profashion's Proversity blog. Today we're talking all about sun damage, how it's caused, what you can do to prevent it, because let's be honest, sun damage can happen year-round, which I know is surprising to so many of us, but let's get right on into it. One of the first signs that you're gonna notice about your hair is that it's lacking that shine. It also is more brittle, you'll see more split ends, and overall you can see your hair health is not like it used to be. But some of the things you can do are even at home using a scalp treatment. So what this is going to do, it's going to help build that layer of oil to prevent it from getting the sun damage into your scalp. You can also start applying nutrients directly to your hair, vitamins and nutrients that your hair needs to be healthy and grow. Or also you could cut down on your use of heat tools as well. If you're out in the sun, you're already putting that heat on your hair, try to cut back on some of the styling that you're already using. Now you may be wondering, but how can I truly treat my sun damaged hair? Well, there's many ways. I want you guys to go head to our Proversity blog and check out all of those ways, but two of my favorites are truly the hair masks that you can apply to your hair, whether it's before you get into the shower, nightly, whatever you need to get your hair back to its normal state or even better than it was before. Hair mask and the use of shampoos and conditioners. And one of my favorite shampoos and conditioners is the Profashion Argan line. If you're somebody that's looking for that extra moisture and shine, this line is perfect for you, and that too is gonna help you with your sun damage to your hair. Now make sure to like and subscribe. Head over to our Proversity blog to read all about sun damaged hair. These are just a few of our tips and tricks, but we can't wait to see you there.